We have developed our expertise in the geothermal area, which led to other alternative energies, such as solar thermal, biofuels, fuel cells. We've been lucky enough to have been selected on some major projects in Alberta and in Canada. I think there's a tremendous potential for geothermal and alternative energy in Alberta, primarily because of the cost uncertainties of these fuels in the marketplace, the fluctuations and actually in some cases even the availability, long-term availability of these fuels. We're very interested in having professionals trained in the area. Other aspects of the business are in actually the installation of the system, and there's another area that has cropped up recently is people that are required for long-term maintenance contracts with people who have installed systems. Just there's testing that's required. There is designers that are required, and there's installers in general are short. So as we help develop the industry more and more and more, we hope that other groups come out of the woodwork and start to develop their own companies, and there's more of an availability of contractors in the industry. I think the careers are quite broad in nature, going all the way from design to end user installation and commissioning of these systems.
Basically what I do is I design, supply and install solar, which is photovoltaics, and wind power systems across Western Canada. I want to hire only electricians such as myself or electrical engineering technologists for the design or engineers. There certainly are a lot of advantages to working in the renewable energy industry, because here in Canada it's quite fledgling still. So to be able to get it on the ground floor, I think would be a huge advantage for people to really seriously consider this industry. There's quite a bit of potential. Here in Alberta alone, we get an amazing amount of sun on a yearly basis. If you take Germany, for example, they probably have the best renewable energy program out there, yet they get 1/3 the sun that we do in Alberta. And it seems to work for them really well.
If Alberta is to continue being an energy province, an energy provider to the rest of the country, or to anybody else for that matter, then what they need to do is be serious about developing a safeguard, developing another industry in parallel. And alternative energy is that industry.